trade the Forex trendy. That is the analysis right here, right now. But we want to do something more better and more specific. Because from what we have done right here, right now, we only have a support resistance that will alert us when price is landing on the support or touching the resistance. Okay? Good. That goes a long way. With you. Look at, man. Okay? There is no trend line here. No problem. We still going Forex. The name is KL truncated support resistance line. That is it. Let's put it. Boom. We're gonna do the settings. Width of the short time frame, I don't need to touch that. Style of the short time frame, I don't need to touch that. I want to go to width, long range lines. Is it the width? The width of that long range line or what? Bars. Okay. So, like you all know, one more time, this is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory, aka the Forex Wizard 6666. You know what I mean? Yeah. We are the one behind the Forex, bombarding the Forex market, killing it, seriously. Yeah, so what do you need to be seeing? What do you need to be looking at? You see, take the Forex trendy, put it on, pick a pair and look at it. And put it on your chart, naked chart like this. And then see. That is what you need to be seeing. The relationship between your chart and the Forex trendy is that your naked chart is even the Forex trendy itself. You know what I mean? Take a look at it. Before we ever get started painting our chart pink, blue, putting indicators, putting this and that on it, that we can no longer see this anymore. That is why we lose, because we cannot see the real thing we got be seeing. Okay. If anyone now told me, okay, this price is going up, yes, it is, because you see the right thing, then you got 50% of winning rate until you put your entry in and you put the right entry in. Then you got 100% winning rate. When you see this and your brain is telling you this is going up, and you look at them, this is what you need to be seeing. Need to be seen. And this is the reason why you need to wait and find a good entry along the pullback. This is one big strategy that I'm teaching you guys about. One of my videos where I said $1 million profit structure. Yeah, this structure, man, $1 million profit structure. Okay. Structure. Okay. We've seen the way it looks on the naked chart. This is the USD JPY. I'm not doing analysis. I'm just talking. Let us go to our own template and apply one kind of template where we have put a lot of color on our screen. I don't know. Which is my template? Which is my template? Let me see it. Yeah. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? The naked chart has shown us overall direction of this UJ, this pair. But when I put my color chart, see what I got? Confusion. This is confusing. It's crazy. I don't even know where the market is going. But because of the naked chart, let's put it on. Because of this naked chart, let me know. This is going up. Go look at Forex Trendy. You will know exactly what to do. Okay? So, if I go back, because I got the idea, it's going up, and I go back to my chart, and I put this on, so I know it's going up. What do? Bring out my trend line, put it on. Oh, you can even tag this video as how to trade trend line. But I said, this is $50 million profit structure trading. This will give you money. When you know how to do this type of things, you got to know the next thing you're going to do is to wait for a pullback. Just a pullback. Look, it doesn't matter if you wait for pullback and it hit the trend line and you pick it up. Maybe it went a little bit against you to a particular zone, maybe here or here. It doesn't matter as long as you put your own entry in to where the trend is going. And you got something that shows you your take profit and your stop loss. Then you are good to go. So, like you all know, one more time, this is your boy, Forex Strategy Factory, aka the Forex Wizard 6.
666. You know what I mean? Yeah. We are the one behind the Forex, bombarding the Forex market, killing it, seriously, you know. Yeah, what I'm talking about, the reason for this video of today, you know, is to encourage or to, you know, inspire a lot of young guys out there, man. I've seen your struggles, man. I saw a lot of you on Facebook, social media, Instagram. Many of you are even my followers. Many of you are everywhere in my email.
Yeah, what's up, man? This is your boy from the Forex. Strategy Factory coming to you live and direct with another new fast video. You know, it's gonna be, I'm gonna say it's been a long time I'm uploading this type of fast video. Most of my videos are always scheduled, you understand, but I'm just trying to upload this fast video because I want to talk to, some members of my group, okay? Because I detect for the couples of weeks, I detect a lot of problems. Like I felt your problems, all right? And I'm gonna talk about it the way that you should be thinking as a forex trader. I want to tell you and I want to show you the reason why I give it my signal exactly the way I give it out. You understand? We forex traders, we have different account size, different stuff, different thinking, different mentality. But we are in the same group. Everybody, the one that have a big account, the one that have a small account, this and that. Okay, different things, different mentality, different account. Everybody, different lots.
Okay, man. Welcome back to this cool lesson. You know, what I'm trying to show you guys right here is the support resistance tool, man. Support resistance tool. You know, we just wanna make a very simple strategy. 200 support resistance. 200. And this support resistance you seen on this chart is automatic support resistance. All right. So which means what? Which means this is even showing you where the market is going, that you don't even need to sit in front of your chart and start thinking, where is it going? I will tell you something. Look, if you zoom your chart, this is what you got. And what you get or what you see here is, look at, you have seen something going on a very straight trend line up. You see this thing I'm showing you. All right, this is going up. Okay, there's no doubt about it. I don't need to guess. My head and my eye can see it and process where it's going properly. Ojú mi rí, ọpọlọ mi ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, mo mọ ibi tó ń lọ. You know what I mean? This is the only thing you need to see. How you going to use this support resistance strategy. Now, what do I want to do? Kí ni nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe? À ń sọ Yorùbá nítorí pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wa náà ń wò. Èmi ò sì gbóyìnbó. Now, what you're going to do is put a line on that support resistance low, because we know this is going up, the low. Okay, let's say this is the low. I pull my green line there. Okay, so what am I going to be doing? The simple rule of a support resistance is, you see, when the price have bounced on it, okay, then bounce away from it. This is where you're going to enter into the trend direction. Okay, you know why? Because this is the simple rule of support resistance. The price will bounce on it. It's a level, and then bounce away from it. It's a proof of that is where the price is going. This is where you jump into the trend direction. That is how to trade support resistance. The normal simple rules. But now, in my case, why did I put a line on this low? It's a level. That is where the price touches the support resistance and bounce away. So, look, it touches it right here and then bounce away. So, that is the characteristic of support resistance. After the bounce, then I jump in and go and sleep and forget about every other thing that somebody somewhere is saying. Tó bá ti gbórí síbẹ̀, lọ́sùn kó gbàgbé ariwo táwọn èèyàn ń pa kiri. Ariwo wà nú ọjà, ibi táwa ń lọ là ń fojú sí. That is the secret of your success in Forex. Know where the market is going, know the trend. What are you using as a tool? Are you using support resistance? Then know the characteristics of support resistance. That's all. Make it simple, man. Simple. It's not about something that you're gonna come make things so difficult and you make people feel like, so hard to process what you displaying. Just display a simple trend line to know where the market is going and display a support resistance zone, and then that's all. Follow the rule of support resistance that, yep, price bounce on it, price bounce on the low, and then bounce away from it. Hey, jump in and go and close your ears. Any noise coming, close your window, go and sleep. The second way to use this support resistance, because I drew this line, this green line. You can see this green line I drew. What am I doing with it? I said, okay. Yeah, what's up? This is your main man from the Forex Strategy Factory, bringing it to you again the way I used to do. My video now is based on answering some questions of some of my followers, And if you're the type walking around, checking on YouTube for solution, well, don't forget to subscribe and push the like button, okay? And push the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I make a video. You'll be the first person to come and watch. Now, this video is based on what someone asked me a few days ago, okay? Where they said, he said, bro, I say, yo. He said, how do you trade the high and low of the day? He said, because he doesn't like to wait long time to be waiting for signal, this and that. He said he needs some, he needs some bucks, and he needs to be constantly trading. All right.
Now, I'm going to answer your question because I got what you're saying. I know what you mean. You want to make the dough. I understand. Now, the way to do that is that you're gonna be trading on a daily basis, okay? And the first thing I want to make clear here is that it is not about the indicators or the high and low or the Bollinger Band or whatever. It is first thing to know about the movement of the market, the price, before it ever will move. You know, this gives you the kind of high power to make some bucks in the market on a daily basis. Now, let's start. Let's go get some kind of a moving average, and we're gonna make it a moving average 20 period, okay? 20 period of a moving average, okay? This is good for this daytime everyday trading stuff. You understand? Good. And then I want to show you something. I want to show you something so fast. All right? You see, what you're going to be looking at in this type of situation here is that you focus your attention on the white moving average 20. It has gone down. All right? It has gone down. This is the white MA20 gone down. So as it's gone down, definitely your attention is going to be going up. So you want to go focus your attention on maybe how to buy. You understand? Great. But I want you to know that in between the down it's going, there's always a buy sell happening in between. Buy sell, like you can see me touching them. Buy sell happening. Now, for you to make the bucks on a daily basis, this buy sell is what you want to focus, regardless of the movement of, you know, of the MA white 20. Okay, now let's go again to do something here. Let's do something here. Look, MA white 20 has gone up with the buy. Now, what is going to be happening right here is that MA20 has gone up. MA20 will start coming down, and that is what it's trying to do right here. And as you can see, there was something happening here. Sell, buy, sell, okay, buy, sell, buy, okay, and I think there's a kind of little bit of sell happening right here, okay. But then, what is going to be your own wait, let me zoom this thing a little bit so we can see it properly, right? Okay, when you see a kind of MA20 white MA20 as point up to this level, you want to think of, okay, there will be some buy sell, you'll be picking it. But how will you know what is going to give you the alert when your setup, your little bit of setup to come make your dough on a daily basis has happened? Now, this is where you need a kind of something like that can give you a kind of alert, okay? You want to get something that looks like a kind of support resistance indicator. Support resistance indicator that can give you alert, okay? Okay, let's put it. It's 20 period support resistance indicator, okay? I know most of you watching this video, you don't have it. Oh, okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. You don't have this support resistance indicator which I put here. It is the blue color here, okay? Support resistance period of 20. Now it will be giving you alert. You see the price inside the support resistance? When price is hitting this low, it will give alert and we gotta buy, okay? And when we buy, we understand that yes, we buy, but it is gonna buy and go to create the next resistance. So as we bought, we're going to close it when it has created the next resistance. And when it creates the next resistance, we're going to sell it. Okay, sell it until it will go and hit the next support. Okay. I know it's not easy to explain with just ordinary mouth like the way I'm talking it. Okay, except you've seen it, how it works, how it plays. Okay. That is what I do. So I'm talking about it exactly the way it works. Alright? Now, and then there's a link I will put under this video. Okay? This link will take you to this support resistance tool. where I put it there. I put it there for you. If you need it, you can get it. Okay, you can get it there. It's very important because every strategy is going to work if you have the right tool. Okay, but the first thing is when you know exactly how the market and what the market is doing. What I want to explain to you here is that this MA5 has created the longest leg. Okay, now it has created a pattern that looks like this. A pattern that looks like this. Then the next thing it will do is to create the longest leg going down. The longest leg going down. But then be touching resistance to create the resistance of a new day. That is where you want to sell. Look at, there was a resistance here of previous day. If you sell this, you get out of here. Okay, because there was a little buy that happened here and finished it here. The buy happened here and finished on the resistance of this day. Now, let's say you sold here from the resistance of this day, and you know it's going to support. Now, boom, you are in profit. Boom, it created support of this day. Now, creating support of this day, you bought it. You know that, okay, it is going to create the resistance of another new day, which it is trying to do right now. Any last move now will bring this one to finalize the resistance of this day. After the resistance of this day is created, boom, it will sell. You will sell it. Then it is coming to create the support of today, which will break this current support. Can you see the way I'm talking about the movement of the price before it will ever happen? Alright? Okay. So I say it's not because of your indicator, or it's not because of your high-low strategy or Bollinger Band or this and that. It's about your awareness, first of all, of how the market moves. Now look, the longest leg to the up has been created by this MA20. Boom, gone up. Oscillating, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, oscillation. Now it has created a kind of pattern, this pattern. Now, because I know that the expectation is to create what? To create the longest leg, which finalize, which finalize a kind of M shape. Boom, coming down. Alright? Maybe coming down to, you have to know which level is it coming. Coming down to this level. The previous level is broke, or this level. Where the breakout happened. Sorry, I forgot about how to speak that English. Where the breakout happened. It's coming here. It's coming here, or it's coming here. Where the breakout happened, it's coming here. The longest leg will end right here. Let me put something. The longest leg will end around here. As you can see that I'm in the trade, and this is my TP. This is my take profit level just above the end zone of this longest leg. Alright? So, because I know that the longest leg is going to be created and it's going to end here. So the idea of everyday trading is, you want to see that price has touched the resistance and you want to sell it. Okay, you exit at the support. This day now, because of everyday trading, now I am waiting. What am I waiting for? If I bought here yesterday, I want the price to touch the support or the resistance of today, then I will close my buy. Okay, but I don't have a buy. Okay, I don't have a buy because I know the longest leg is going to get here, so I should follow the longest leg by selling. All right, so once I hear my alert that the price is touching the resistance of today, I'm going to pop in another sell. You can see I have some sell going on, right? I have some sell going on. I have pending sell here, okay, as you can see. So when the price now touch the resistance of today, okay, I will now put in my sell, okay, and I will hold it and get out today when it break this current support. Then I will repeat the same thing over and over again until the price get to this level, which shows that this longest leg, well, by the time it comes down here, it's complete. The price will be ready to turn around and start going to the up direction again, repeating this process right here. So if you were a little bit confused about the way I've explained it, what you just need to do is, regardless of the movement of the white MA20, okay, just follow the buy and sell as price touches the support and resistance. But you have to know exactly that where you're going to take your profit. Where you're going to take your profit is the most important. Okay, when it's hitting that support, because this one is going down. Okay, when it's hitting that support, if you bought it maybe by mistake or whatever, you have not done the wrong thing, you are still correct, because the price will always pull back. It has to pull back to the moving average 20. It's what it's doing right here. You see it? It's a pullback. Okay, as you can see, what is going on here, it's a pullback. Even though the trend is going down, but there's a pullback. So if you understand how the market moves, you can get out from this zone. In my case, that I stay here in Japan, I say, okay, maybe last night this was happening, then I bought. I said, okay, I will close it in Asian time. I will close it in Asian time, because Asian time, the Japan market open. So I'm going to close this type of thing, and I'm going to sell, because they will sell, so I want to sell with them. Because this trend is going down, the sell has a big power. And when will I sell? I didn't just want to wake up and jump into the market, but I just want to see this resistance. I want to see the resistance of today. So from the resistance of today, I sell it. By the time it breaks this support, I get out, and the trade will end right here. This is how to trade on a daily basis. This is how to make your bucks on a daily basis. Okay? It is not about the indicator. It is about your awareness of how to see exactly what is happening. But if you apply this principle of the moving average 20 and the support resistance period 20, this too will guide you into banking your profit. It doesn't matter how the MA is moving, because there'll be buy sell happening on and on and on and on and on. Yeah, what's up, man? This is your main man, Forex Strategy Factory, talking about something very important today. Yeah. Now, we'll talk about a lot of things. We'll talk about strategy, okay, for some kind of traders that really know about trading and knows what they're doing or what they want to do in the Forex market. Yeah. Glory be to God for that knowledge, man. One love, I say one more time. Now, when we give a strategy for people who knows what they're doing in the Forex market, now we want to give a strategy for people who really don't know what they're doing in the Forex market. You see, someone got to be nice here. When I remember those people who knows what they're doing, I still want to remember those people who don't really know what they're doing, because I was actually these two types of trader. I was before, don't know what I was doing. Yes, but now I know what I'm doing. So now, let's go. We just need an empty chart like this, a naked chart like